We're demonstrating a complete suite of solutions at Mobile World Congress. We have what we call the Affirmed Mobile Content Cloud, which includes our virtual EPC, our policy engine, our automation, which we call the Affirmed Service Automation Platform, as well as our virtual probes. A lot of these technologies are driven towards accelerating the pace of adoption of network functions virtualization and driving the transformation in mobile service provider networks. Affirmed and Metaswitch are strategic partners. We've been working together for a little while now. We have brought together the two most widely used use cases today out there in the NFV world. Affirmed provides the virtualized EPC with the GI services, the content caching, content management services, and Metaswitch provides the virtual IMS. So if you look at the most prevalent use cases that are out there, you have the virtual EPC driving a lot of the data, and then you have the virtual IMS. Together, what we do is voice on data on the virtualized NFV-based networks, as well as automation that helps scale mobile operators from a few hundred thousands to millions and tens of millions of subscribers, providing both data and voice in a fully virtualized construct. One of the key items that we are observing in the service provider world is most operators are now at the phase where they're scaling virtualized deployments, and they typically have been using the virtual EPC as the first use case that actually proves out the CapEx, OpEx reductions that's offered by virtualization, as well as the acceleration in the velocity of service innovation. That has been the first use case, and then right alongside that has been the virtual IMS. So service providers have been putting up quite a bit of effort in leveraging the expertise of folks like Affirmed and Metaswitch up till now individually to ramp up these two major use cases in their networks. When companies like Affirmed and Metaswitch work together, pre-integrate and collaborate in the technology as well as the business model construct, what that allows the service providers to do, minimize their investment as in the technology, the people, the resources, as well as the commercials, and get frankly, 2x the bang for the buck in terms of deploying not just the virtual EPC or the virtual IMS, but actually deploying the two most powerful use cases for virtualization with the same investment pretty much in terms of effort and what it takes to turn them on. Metaswitch is a company that we find we can align with in multiple ways. Culturally, it's a company that understands and embraces the pace of innovation just like Affirm does. We have alignment at multiple levels of the organization with a shared belief and a common perspective that virtualization is here. It's something that drives innovation. It's something that provides value for service providers. It is what empowers service providers to offer newer services, more interesting use cases to their end customers, be it enterprises, be it consumers, be it the entire and growing IoT segment of the market. And both of us are fully committed to driving network transformation through virtualization. And it's this level of commitment, which we sometimes term as burn the boats. This is the way forward. Virtualization is the way forward. And given our commitment, expertise, and the investment that we have made, it's a very natural alliance that our service providers can now reap the benefits of.